This is the 2011 GMC Terrain. It's a very nice vehicle, which is meant to be a good SUV for anyone that is looking for a ride that will go well. Now, this one is at 132,000 miles, and let's hear how the engine starts in this vehicle. Now, as you can see, this Terrain has no indicators on the dash. Since we put our seatbelt in there, there are no indicators on the dash. It starts up pretty well. It's also very clean on the interior over here. So if you think that this vehicle will be a good fit for you, all you have to do is message Robert Lilburn or Done Deal Autos right here on Facebook. Just message us and we'll help you guys out.